Wow. Oh my God, let me see your fish. You got a fish. Wow. This is how we spend our Labor Day weekend. Fishing. Micah got one. Good job, Micah. Be careful.
Take this guy off.
No, I want to hold it.
Oh, you guys should get a basket for your fish.
And I was afraid of this.
But did you eat it? Did you eat it?
Keep spinning up, Micah.
Micah!
Yours is coming up.
Oh! It's another one! I caught another one! Another one, Daddy. Another one sinking with mine.
Yeah, something like yours. There we go.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, back in the water.
Daddy.
We should keep it so we can eat it.
Daddy, where's mine? My fishy.
Put him back in the water.
Daddy.
Wow, Micah. Good job, Micah.
Okay, Baba. Wait, don't spin it. When you see the red one, go. Spin.
Getting tighter and tighter.
Oh, you got another one.
Good job.
Did it eat it?
Yeah, it ate it perfect, Micah. Ooh. Okay, wait. Okay, stop. You can put it forward there. You want to hold it? Okay.
Easy, girl. Easy.
Easy, girl. Easy.
Oh.
Yeah, you hold this
Daddy,
one.
what's the red on her? Daddy, there's red on her.
Oh, there's blood. Here, put this one back in the water. Hold him. No, put your hand out. Flat.
He's
Okay,
soft, maybe.
Okay, let go of your
Daddy, I just